If you're a high achieving woman who's tired of doing all the right things and still feels exhausted, bloated, overwhelmed, or disconnected from her body, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Janell Yule, and this is The Transformation Show. I'm so glad that you found this channel. Here, we talk about healing from the inside out, gut health, hormones, your nervous system, and the deeper mindset and somatic healing work that actually makes change stick. This isn't about pushing harder or fixing yourself. It's about learning how to feel safe in your body again so healing can happen naturally. Every episode you see here is also available as a podcast, so you can watch, listen, or move between both, whatever supports you best. If this resonates, subscribe, leave a comment, and come be part of the conversation. Because when your body feels safe, it knows how to heal.